How to create magic avatars in Lensa. Okay, ready to see a cool AI version of yourself? First thing you need to do is open your Lensa app on your device or phone. Once you're inside, look for the magic avatar section. You can see it in the middle. It's right over here. Tap on it. And there you can see a lot of avatars right over here. There's some popular ones, and here's your future baby girl, your future baby boy, photo shootings, cartoons, family, and many more. Just tap on the avatars that you would like to try. For example, I want to try out night out right over here. You can select up to 10 style at a time. Okay, let's do this one, style 2, and this one, and maybe this one. Let's tap and continue with the 10 styles. And there's a disclaimer that expectation for the magic avatars. Our AI-driven magic avatar system may produce images with imperfection, as visual artifacts with distortion. These are unintentional byproducts of the technology and are beyond our control. By proceeding, you acknowledge and accept the possibilities of such anomalies. Here you can see an optimal features, which is just fine, and there you can see when something went wrong, this could be how it look like. Now just confirm that I'm of legal age, that is 18 to 21 years old. To engage with this one, simply tap and continue. Now what you have to do is simply pick the 4 photos of the male and 4 photos of the female. Let's do this too. And also inside it you can see a criteria. You should have the photos of the male should have no angle, so the shadows on their photos, and there should be high camera and the face angle, and any other things. Let's select the photo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's tap on import. Now let's choose the photo of the female. Okay, so all is accepted. Then tap on start generating photos, 40 photos. This is the pro version, so that's why I may not be able to show you the rest process. But after you tap on the start generating 40 avatars right over here, it will start generating your avatar for you. And that's how you can create magic avatars in Lensa. Pretty neat, right? And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.